Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cloudmersive YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to perform subjectivity analysis in Power Automate using the Cloudmersive Natural Language Processing connector. This connector will analyze text to determine the degree to which it may be subjective or objective using a simple numerical scale from 0 to 1 to do so. Let's get started. First, click Create to start a new flow and then select Instant Cloud Flow. This will ensure you have the most control over your data. Next, give your flow a relevant name, and then select Manually Trigger a Flow, and then click Create at the bottom. Once done, you'll jump to the flow design page. Once there, it's time to set up the first operation in the flow. Click New Step and type Get File Content into the operation search bar. In this step, you're going to select the file you want to analyze, so pick the Get File Content option that aligns with the application your file lives in. My file lives in SharePoint Online, so I'm selecting my site address directly after making that selection. To find your file, click on the folder icon and navigate the folder path until you reach your file. After you select it, the file's unique identifier will populate the search bar. In the next step, you'll be selecting the Cloudmersive operation to perform on the file. Type Cloudmersive into the search bar and select the Cloudmersive NLP connector with the orange logo from the list below. If it's your first time using this connector, you'll receive a prompt to name your connection and include your API key at this stage. Once entered, that information will save for the next use, like mine has. Once you arrive at the actions list, type Subjectivity into the search bar and select the relevant option below. To use the connector, you'll need to define the text to analyze. To do this, simply click on the search bar and select the File Content option from the Dynamic Content window. This is a very convenient feature that Power Automate includes to ensure you can retrieve file information from the first step automatically. Now click New Step again. For this final step in the flow, you need to determine how you're going to be notified about the results of the subjectivity analysis operation. There are a few ways to do this in Power Automate, and for this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a very basic email alert. This alert will notify you with the subjectivity analysis score results. The score can be a number between 0 and 1, with numbers closer to 0 indicating low subjectivity and numbers closer to 1 indicating high subjectivity. Type Send me an email notification into the operation search bar and select the option with the red bell icon from the list below. When you're ready, give your email a subject line relevant to the operation at hand, and then use the Dynamic Content window to once again include results from the subjectivity analysis operation. Then, you can add as much freeform text as you'd like around the dynamic content in the message body. Once finished, it's time to test the flow. Click Save at the bottom of the page, and then select Test in the upper right corner of the page to begin. Select the Manual Trigger option, then hit Continue, Done, and finally Run Flow to kick off the process. You'll know the test ran smoothly when green check marks appear in the upper right corner of each operation in the flow. After that, check your email to make sure you got a message as intended. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more content in the future.